In 2025, artificial intelligence isn't just for tech experts. Anyone with an internet connection can turn AI into real income. Today, I'll show you 5 AI side hustles that are realistic, low-cost, and actually working right now. Businesses and students drown in long articles, reports, and research papers. You can use AI tools to condense 10-page documents into clear one-page summaries. Freelancers on Fiverr and Upwork charge $20 to $50 per summary. It's fast, it's simple, and the demand is growing every day. Millions of people are applying for jobs, but most resumes are weak. With AI, you can tailor resumes and cover letters for specific job postings in minutes. Add LinkedIn profile optimization as an upsell. Clients will pay $30 to $100 for this service. Content creators and businesses need professional-sounding voiceovers, but not everyone wants to record their own voice. With AI voice tools, you can generate natural audio in different accents and tones. You can charge $15 to $50 per short script and deliver in minutes. Local restaurants, gyms, and salons don't have time to answer customer questions all day. You can set up a simple AI chatbot to reply instantly to FAQs like opening hours, pricing, or booking links. Small businesses will happily pay $100 to $500 for setup plus a monthly retainer to keep it running. Every business needs constant social media posts, ad copy, and product descriptions. AI can create the first draft, and your job is to polish it so it feels natural and human. Offer this as a monthly package. Clients pay $200 to $500 per month, sometimes even more. And those are 5 AI side hustles you can start today. None of them require coding, just creativity and consistency. Which one do you think has the most potential? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more ways to make money with AI in 2025.